Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Way!
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q. And today I got an interesting video for you guys. We are not smoking protein. We are not smoking veggies. We got spices going on the grill today, all right? Now, before I jump into the video, you know I got to thank everybody for stopping by. Whether you tripped over the channel or you came here on purpose, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so you get notified when I drop all my latest content. For all my returning subscribers, you know I appreciate you guys' support, all right? Now today, I got a little hickory wood chip and some salt, pepper, and we're gonna see if we can get some smoke flavored salt and pepper, all right? You guys stick around to the end of the video so you can see if it works out. Let's go check it out. All right, so this is actually not too complicated of a cook, right? We just, like I said at the beginning, we got a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna smoke it. All right, I use Tabasco salt all the time at the house, and I've been thinking about doing this for a while. And then my mother dearest actually was talking to me about smoking sunflower seeds, and I haven't been able to find plain sunflower seeds here in Belgium yet, but I got plenty of salt and plenty of pepper. All right, so this is what it looks like. You guys have used salt and pepper before if you're watching my channel, so I know you know what it looks like. All right. We are going to be using a smoke box, a tinder box, because I do want a longer smoke, and I'm cooking on the Weber. So I've had these hickory wood chips smoking for about an hour. Okay. And we're going to be filling this box up twice over the course of this cook. Now, there is no real trick with this. I pretty much just set the wood box over the coals. I put the salt and the pepper on top of the tray, and the tray inside the Weber, and I'm smoking this because the temperature right over the coals was about 450, so I'm probably inside right where the salt and pepper is. It's probably closer to like 325, 350. Okay. As you can see, I've had the salt and pepper on for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm actually going to do this twice, like I said, with that tinder box. So in the second round, you're going to see the actual time hacks every 5 minutes. This has been on for about 15 minutes now, and you can see the salt is starting to turn brown. The pepper is also darkening as well. It's just a little bit harder to see because it's already so dark. So with a bamboo straw, I'm breaking it up so you guys can see the contrast between the outside versus the inside that was not being hit directly with the smoke. Now, as I'm pointing this out, if you have cooked salt crusted salmon before or salt crusted cod, you're kind of familiar. The salt hardens up and it forms a crust. The pepper didn't do that. The pepper stayed loose, but the salt definitely formed a crust as I was breaking it up. All right. So now we're at the halfway point. I'm going to go ahead and empty that smoke box, and we are going to replace it with fresh hickory chips. Okay. Now the process is going to be the exact same on this second half, except what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the actual time hacks at every 5 minutes so you can see the salt, the pepper, and how it progresses throughout the course of the cook, as well as the smoke inside the box. The smoke only lasted about 20-25 minutes. Okay. So now that we got everything on the grill, let's go ahead and close the lid up. It's 7:04. We'll be back at 7:09 so we can recheck and see how the cook is going. All right. You see that the smoke box is just starting to get a light smoke because those wood chips were wet. The salt, the pepper looks about the same as it did before. All right. Coming back at 7:14. We have nice blue smoke. All right, so we've got a good smoke going, and the salt, the pepper is starting to get a little bit darker again. As you can see, what was white on the inside for the salt is already starting to darken up. All right, now let's head inside on the second half because we got to taste it. I don't want to eat plain salt and pepper, and I don't think anybody here would watching either. So we're gonna go ahead and throw on some fast food fries in the air fryer, and then we're gonna throw on some chicken tenders as well, and that's going to be the meal / taste test, our test subjects for this particular video. All right, got both of these bad boys on in the air fryer, and then we're going to head back out and we're going to see how our salt and pepper are doing on the Weber. 719. All right, they've been on for 15 minutes now. Smoke's gotten a little bit darker. You can see the salt also gotten darker. The pepper's getting darker. Again, we're getting some good smoke inside these seasonings. 724, another 5 minutes has gone by. We are now 20 minutes into this second burn. All right, and you can see the color is not perfectly even, but it's getting there. Okay, we got the smoke is turned from that light blue to it's starting to get a little bit whiter, so it's starting to burn through those wood chips. 729, we're now 25 minutes in on this second burn. All right, so this salt and pepper at this point have been on for about an hour, and it's time to take them off. The tinder box, the smoke box has gone through. You can move the salt, pepper around. You see there's more contrast between the pepper that was on the inside versus the pepper on the outside. Same thing with the salt. You can see there's contrast. So we know that the smoke was hitting the salt. We know it's hitting the pepper. All right. Now it's really nothing but to try it. And I'm gonna tell you guys, for me, as I was looking at this, I wasn't 100% sure. Now I'm gonna tell you the smell. It smells great. I didn't get a nose full of pepper because I didn't want to be sneezing for the next 6 days. But the salt, you can really, I mean, that the scent of that hickory wood on the salt was incredibly strong. Okay, so we're gonna take these fries out, throw them inside our little container, and then get them over, or I'm sorry, we're gonna take the chicken tenders out as well, and we're gonna take everything over to the salt, the pepper. We're gonna hit it. Don't worry about all the salt that I was putting on there. A lot of it ends up falling to the bottom. You can see that some of it did stick to the fries though, right? And that's what we want. These are the fast food fries. A good taste test. It tasted like a regular salted fry. I didn't get a super strong smoke flavor out of it, but you know, I gave the fries and the fries to the wife and to the kids, and I asked without telling them what I did. They knew I was making a video, but they didn't know what I was doing, and neither of them said that they really tasted anything different. So basically the result of this experiment is you're gonna have salt and pepper, regular tasting salt and pepper, but it's not gonna be a super strong smoke flavor. All right, so thank you guys for watching. All right, if you guys give it a shot, let me know how it turns out. All right, see you in the next video. Peace.